Welcome to the Covered Call Options course. This course is for you if you want to make upfront passive income selling covered call options. Selling covered call options is an amazing way to generate passive income on your portfolio while reducing downside risk. In fact, I have used this simple strategy to increase the return of my portfolio by 3% or more annually over the past 5 years. Covered call writing allows you to generate passive income with a few clicks every week. In fact, your portfolio may already have a few stocks that would be great for this strategy. Writing covered calls is a short-term strategy, 1 to 3 months, that generates cash upfront and will smooth out your monthly cash flow. This strategy is perfect for retired folks or anyone else who wants to generate quick passive income. Alright, here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn my step-by-step covered call option strategy guide. You're going to learn the exact covered call option writing strategy that I use that generates upfront passive income. Plus, I'll walk you through a comprehensive real-world case study so you can see the strategy in action. Stock screening. You'll get a high-quality stock screening tutorial to find the best stocks to write covered calls against. You'll learn how to narrow down a universe of a few thousand stocks to just a few hundred that will make you money. Finally, we'll go through a brokerage firm tutorial. If you don't know how to put an options trade with your brokerage firm, don't worry. We'll discuss this. I'll teach you the exact steps to execute a covered call strategy from your online brokerage account.